Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to FaceWiz. I'm Manas Sharma, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to visualize the coord file of Turbomole. So here I have a coord file for a molecular structure such as H2O, that is the water molecule, as well as a coord file for a periodic structure where I have a monolayer HBN packed with water molecules. So the only difference is that in addition to the atomic coordinates in Bohr units or atomic units, you also have this dollar cell or dollar lattice kind of a flag in the beginning, or keyword if you will prefer that. Now in order to visualize it, we'll be using my web app called rippertools.turbomole.org, and I created it for Turbomole itself with a focus on Ripper, so that is why it also supports periodic structures. So once you are here, you will head over to the sidebar menu, find this visualize coord file menu item, click on that, and that is basically it. Now you can either paste the contents of the coord file or drag and drop the coord file here. And one of the main reasons that you would want to visualize these coord files is, of course, to find out if the structure that you are using for your calculations is reasonable or not. Maybe you made some mistakes or something like that. So that is why you would perhaps like this tool, or you can also use it to create figures for your manuscripts, because not many softwares support this Turbomole COORD format. But yeah, so enough of chit chat. Now let's go ahead and just upload these files over here. So first let's upload the water molecule, and yeah, so here you can see that it read it really easily without any problems. So here you get that. Additionally, you also get the center of mass, and now you can also try the same for this 3D structure that I have. And once again, now you see that it also prints the lattice parameters, lattice vectors, atomic coordinates in either Cartesian or fractional coordinates and whatnot. And at the end, you get this really nice visualization of your system to check whether you made any mistakes or not. And you can also go ahead and download it in the zip file format, and also you get the center of mass in the Cartesian coordinates as well as in the fractional coordinates. So yeah, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys found it useful and enjoyed it. In case you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Turbomole and computational material science. Thanks for watching and have a great day.